Most students go wrong here. Can you see the mistake? The mistake here is someone has found the factors of 5 that add to make 6. That's the wrong way around. Let's have a go at this question. So what you need to do is find the factors of 6. And when you add those factors together, they need to add up to, in this case, a positive 5. 1 plus 6 is 7. 2 plus 3 is 5. They are the factors we need. As this is a quadratic, it will have x at the start of both brackets. And all we do now is place in the two factors we found. We can check this by expanding. So we expand by using FOIL. Firsts, outsides, insides, multiplying the last together. And all we do now is collect like terms. And we can see we are back to where we started. So our factorised answer is, that's an easy 2 or 3 marks. Pause the video, have a go at this. Okay, using our method, find a pair of factors that add together to give you the 7. Those are what you put in the bracket. X goes at the start of each bracket. And those factors follow. That's our answer. Just expand to check. Firsts, multiplying outsides, multiplying insides, multiplying lasts, collect like terms. Is that the same as the question? Yes, it is. So our factorisation is, again, another 2 to 3 easy marks.